All right, Dallas, Texas, February 2022. And again, we've got snow this year in February. This is not really snow so much as it is sleet and ice. Be careful because this could be a butt buster. I don't know if I want to walk on this. Kind of crusty. So you can hear it. It's not really snowing right now. It's just coming down as sleet, frozen rain, if you will. I'm trying to walk on this. It's not so slick as you would think, but I don't think a lot of people are going to be out driving in this today. I see a couple tire tracks on the road, but not many. So, here it is, if you can believe it. It's snowing in Dallas, Texas. Oh, I do see somebody driving down there. There they go. But I think we're just going to get a lot more of this mixed rain and sleet, and a little snow mixed in there. But it looks like the storm will be over here in another hour or two from what the radar shows. Anyway, thanks for viewing.